Welcome back, fellow innovators. In the previous episode, we focused on collecting data to create an intricate dataset for data analysis. Now, let's delve deeper into how we can analyze this data with MaiLab. Specifically, we're going to look at three powerful tools: deep learning, Autoencoder, and similar waveform recognition. Let's begin with a brief overview of our three data analysis methods. Deep learning enables MaiLab to analyze complex datasets by imitating how the human brain processes information. Autoencoder compresses and reconstructs data for efficient analysis, helping to reveal important patterns and anomalies that may not be obvious when looking at raw data. Similar Waveform Recognition uses special Mitsubishi Electric-owned AI technology to identify and compare patterns within time-based waveform data, offering precise analysis for manufacturing operations. Choosing the right method is crucial, but don't worry, you don't have to make this decision on your own. MaiLab's Auto Mode intelligently selects the best approach based on your specified purpose and dataset characteristics. Now, let's explore the analytics process itself. Remember the positioning robot from earlier on? In the previous episode, we collected its data using the data logger module, ensuring smooth waveform capture at 10 millisecond intervals. Now, these CSV files serve as our dataset for offline analysis. When it comes to similar waveform recognition, it's crucial to first log the good waveforms, which will ensure accurate analysis. Thankfully, MaiLab simplifies this process by speeding up model matching and learning. If we encounter mixed data, MaiLab automatically selects the most suitable method, whether it's deep learning or autoencoder. It's all about efficiency and accuracy. As you can see, our operation is being analyzed. And all I have to do now is relax and invite you to watch the next episode, where we will reveal another valuable application of MaiLab in innovating manufacturing.